Okay, guys, now I like to introduce to you guys part of one of my method. I use him for beginner. I use him for job established fighter and for the high performance fighter. This tool, I really I like to tell everyone, is so useful that can help me even to change so many mistakes, you know. The human start to change his posture because of injury, because of many situations. So anytime the fighter lost the proper body balance, so the punch start to lose the whole move. The fighter start to lose the timing. They start to lose the target. So this method I using for every level of fighter. Only make a variation depend of the style and the background. But I like to say to everyone, the more easier way to teach anyone, even beginner. If I like to teach beginner, I like to start without showing any punch, better how to walk. Walk, if you see the human body, when you born fast, you crawl, then you stand, and after you start to move like that because you not do the proper break of the knee, hip, shoulder. So it's a clear example why we can walk. We can walk because we create the synergy of our body. It creates the energy to move. For example, if you see the normal walk, why happen a normal walk? Because we free up one feet to step and then switch the body weight to the another one. So like this happens in every sport. But I like to talk about boxing. So I start with all my fighters. I start to say, okay, we walk normally, and then we make that way. So if you see, I shifting my body weight from left to right. It's not my walk. If I do it in the back one, I do it forward. So it's a normal walk. Only I do a little pronation. Okay? So let's say we start with talking about boxing. I start from walking. So I tell my fighter to hang up, close the elbow to the body. If you see, I keep my body weight in the right side, and then I shift to the left. So I do it like that. Or I could do it backward with my elbow very close. So it's a very simple. Now, I like to go, let's say, for left hand, okay? I drop my left hand because I want my fighter to feel the rotation. Feel the rotation. Feel the rotation. So if you see, jump up, down, backward, jump, down, down. If you see, I keep moving from left to right, right to left. I go now with a straight right, okay? The same way. When I step with my left, I shift my body weight to the left side. and then it's the time you can throw the right. Let's say, okay? Right, 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 backward, right, 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 right. That way already we have the 4 fundamentals with the, I call in this kind of exercise variable special boxing exercise. This kind of exercise is a method of show to the fighter how to achieve the body weight, how the biomechanics, the whole body working for one target. Now, I will show you guys the 4 basic straight punch walking. Start with my left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if you see the same thing happen with whole punch, with the whole move. Let's say, remember, always I like to teach straight, hook, at the end, uppercut. Hook, I start, chain rotation. Hook, 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 backward, hook, 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 my body always moving, back, 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 right hook, same thing, same walk, back, oh, oh. I drop in my left hand because I want you to see how I achieve my body weight. But always the hand, the one no punch must be high. Okay? Now I will show the 4 hook. Change the level. Left and right, up and down. Start to walk. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 hook. Now, uppercut. It's the same, left and right, up and down. Start the same rotation, but what happens when you throw the uppercut, you need to sit. Shift your body weight, but sit in your left hand side at the same time doing that. So, if you watch, I walk, sit, 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 sit. Okay? Now you watch. We start with the left uppercut. Here, sit, uppercut. Sorry, bang, up, bang, up, backward, ping, 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 ping. You see how I achieve my body weight? Okay? Same thing happened with the right. Sitting. Now, sit, pump, on, boom, on, backward, up, on, up, on, up, on, up. So, we got already a straight punch, up and down, hook, up and down, left and right, uppercut, up and down, left and right. Now we hold motion. Change, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So I change the level through my hip. When my uppercut is on top, palm, and body, palm, and. So I check my level, so you got already. Also, when the fighter already, he got a higher level, we can do a combination. Watch. Block, block, 1, 2, block, block, 1, 2, block, 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 1, 2. So, okay? Shift my body weight. And so, that way, sorry, I funny. That way, I try to give a message to everyone. How many things we can do in boxing? Is I give you a kind of signal, and you have to create yourself for the good without leaving the fundamental of boxing skill. Thank you.